What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and we are at Streetcar Takeover. I parked my car, got it cooling off. You can hear the cars in the background, you guys. We got roll racing, drag racing, all sorts of things. So you're gonna see me drag race later on tonight with my class. But let's go take a look at some of these cars. It is crazy. This is gonna be an intro for like 3 or 4 different videos, because there is an insane amount of vehicles, an insane amount of racing going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the car show cars. This is a full carbon C6. I don't know if you guys can see, but a full carbon C6. Let me not say car show, because I think this will race in roll racing, but it is a full, what looks to be a twin turbo build from Vengeance Racing. Again, full carbon. Then we have a crazy truck and a nice colored G80. I'm pretty sure if you've ever seen these, you guys know whose cars these are. This is Gabe Farrell and his truck. Sorry, I said car. But I mean, pretty sick wrap. Check out the Bellix M3 comp, crazy color. And then we have Vengeance Racing. And this is the car from yesterday's video, the 2650. Don't know what size motor, but it is a 2650 done by Vengeance Racing. Pretty sick build. I mean, the interior was crazy, insane. And they have a bunch of other CTSVs, V2s with some crazy builds, of course, roll bars and so forth. I mean, parachutes, all of the above. Crazy. Paint matched carbon hood. This one as well with a big drag wing. Your twin turbo, see it, you're good. This one is wild. Where's the turbo at? Am I missing it here? Whoa. Oh, right there. That's crazy. Insane build. But you can see they have a bunch of crazy cars from Vengeance Racing out here today. But I'm gonna show you a few more cars, and then we'll head out to racing to see what's going on. We have a few GTRs out here, carbon doors, crazy plexiglass, crazy wheels, big turbo Fox body. It's one of the, I'm telling you, the blue is starting to get to me, man. I don't know what it is. The car may turn blue soon. Got a blue Gatorade too. There's something about blue. And I actually saw this, I think I saw it on the, oh, this was getting cleaned at yesterday's meet, but you can see carbon barrels, gold with the purple is a pretty sick combo. If you don't know, I'm actually looking for a new color for my wrap, and I want something different that still is low key and flows with carbon and some of the things I have going already. But we'll take a look at more of the car shows as they show up, but let's get into the racing. I said we're gonna go look at a few of the car show cars, but I figured while a lot of the drag racing isn't happening, I'll go ahead and show you a lot of the drag racing cars that are already here. See what some of the competition is. They are roll racing right now. So make sure you check out the roll racing video, but let's look at some of these drag cars. There's gonna be a lot, and when I say a lot, of fast cars. Saw Sissio over here, but I mean, there's cars all the way down. So let's start at Sissio. So we have Sissio's twin turbo R8, full roll bar, orange powder coat paint match. Pretty sick car. And it just went like 196, which is insane. And you have the GR30, golly, I about called it a G35. What in the world? R35 GTR, big turbos. I mean, that's a lot of money in that car, you guys. I don't know if you can see, but the billet in front, and 9 times out of 10, if it's from Sissio, it's gonna have the billet aluminum block. You can see the outlets, or the exhaust outlet right there. Pretty sick build. You can see the carbon rear seats, front seats. This is a very, very expensive car. But let's take a look at some of the American muscle. So if you watched my last video, you saw this C6 with the carbon. Insane spec. It's kind of wild to see. But you can see all the carbon currently working. Now we have the CTSVs out here at the V2. These guys were at the car meet the other day. So you can see pretty clean. Then we have, I'm gonna call this a pro mod. Looks like a Camaro, big wing, parachute. Some of these cars haven't shown up, but you can see, obviously you see the beast is behind Rohan. If you don't know who Rohan is, Rohan, phone cut out on me, but Rohan is the guy with the twin turbocharger, a red eye, and a 1320. I'm parked with him right now, letting the car cool off just a little bit because it is hot out of here. Got a nice Fox body. Couple Audis with beadlocks all the way around. Got a nice Mustang with a drag wing, precision turbo, no exhaust. Crazy setups on some of these.
Royce, David, Royce, please.